everyone. So this is Dance With Me. Basically, at first I tried to kind of like dance and show everyone what I'm doing and kind of talk at the same time, but that completely failed because I have asthma and I can't talk when I'm dancing. And also I dance a lot better when I'm just improvising. So this is Dance With Me. I'm putting on some non-copyrighted music and dancing, and later I'm going to try to tell you what I did. I never really remember because I feel the beat, let the beat flow through you and just enjoy dancing. That's what dancing is all about. So I kind of don't like the very strict kind of dances. I'm not a big fan of ballet because I think they have too many rules. Sorry. So anyway, I'm going to put on some music this time. This is Jazz in Paris. It sounds interesting, is it? Yes, this is no copyright music, so I'm still going to use it. So this is short, it's very, kind of like jazzy. So I'm trying to do my interpretation of jazz dance. I've never taken any jazz dance class, and I've never seen jazz dance classes, so this is probably going to be a fail. But you can laugh at me with me. I love doing that. That's like my favorite pastime ever. So I'm going to take my glasses off and put some music on, and let's try. I'm going to try, you can laugh. Yeah. Well, that was not jazzy at all. Yet again, I have no idea what jazz dance is, so maybe it was. You can always know that. So anyway, I think it was more flamenco at some time, so I just kept on my little tippy toes, and this thing, I think, was there. I never remember. I should look through my footage to actually know what the hell I was doing. I honestly never remember, but I was having fun. And I think dancing and just making videos, that's all about. That's what it's all about. You're having fun with it. And I definitely was. I have no idea what came out of it. But I was definitely having fun. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it was kind of hilariously bad, if nothing else. So thank you for watching. I really enjoyed doing it. I really enjoy doing these kind of videos. They're a lot quicker to do than makeup videos, I'll tell you that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was interesting enough to watch, and I hope to see you again soon watching some of my other videos. I hope this one did not scare you off. So thank you and see you again. Bye bye.